Most people think resilience means going off-grid, living in a cabin with solar panels and a giant garden. But you can build real self-sufficiency even in a tiny city apartment. Today I am breaking down 5 simple upgrades that will boost your urban resilience instantly without needing a generator or a backyard. Urban resilience is about being prepared, not scared. It's about creating a home that can handle short disruptions with ease. Let's get into the upgrades. Number 1. Water resilience. When you live in an apartment, giant water barrels just aren't practical. The secret is to use slim, stackable water containers. You can easily hide these under a bed or in the back of a closet. Aim for about 9 to 12 liters per person. Then pair that stored water with a good countertop filter or even a small emergency filter you can keep in a drawer. Trust me, clean water is the number one thing people run out of first in any kind of disruption. Number 2. Build a smart pantry. This isn't about creating a doomsday bunker filled with stuff you'll never touch. It's about stocking up on shelf-stable foods you already eat. Think things like beans, oats, rice, lentils, and maybe some canned or shelf-stable veggies. Use a simple rule: buy what you eat and eat what you store. Rotate your stock regularly. A smart pantry gives you amazing flexibility during power outages, big storms, or even just supply chain delays. Plus, buying in bulk often saves you money in the long run. Number 3 is all about power resilience, and no, you don't need a noisy, smelly generator. For apartment living, all you need are 3 key things. First, get a high-capacity power bank. Second, grab a few USB rechargeable lights. And third, if you want to level up, consider a small foldable solar panel that you can prop up in a sunny window. This setup is quiet, odorless, and totally landlord-approved. It'll keep your most important essentials running: your phone for communication, your lights, and even a portable Wi-Fi hotspot when the power dips. Number 4. Indoor food production. You don't need a balcony or a yard to grow a little food and boost your resilience. Start small and simple. Microgreens are amazing because they're ready to harvest in about 7 days. You can also easily grow herbs like basil or mint on a windowsill, regrow green onions in a glass of water, or even try a small mushroom growing kit in a dark corner of your kitchen. Even a tiny weekly harvest adds incredible freshness and nutrients when getting to the store is difficult. Fast harvests equal fast resilience. Finally, number 5. Your emergency lighting and heat strategy. For light, forget candles. They're a fire hazard. Instead, use LED lanterns or crank-powered lights. They're super bright, completely safe, and the batteries last for ages. For warmth during a winter power outage, focus on insulation, not open flames. Gather up your thickest blankets, use draft stoppers under doors, and close off unused rooms to concentrate heat in a smaller, cozier space. And that's it. That's urban resilience in a nutshell. Simple, safe upgrades that make your apartment more self-sufficient, one step at a time. It's not about panic or prepping bunkers. It's just about smart, prepared living. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.